Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. System 76 has released Cosmic 1.4, the latest stable version of its free, open source, and Rust based desktop environment for Linux. This update arrives only 1 week after Cosmic 1.3, which introduced the popular frosted glass effect. While Cosmic 1.4 is not a major visual update, it brings a new default sound theme, useful improvements, and many stability fixes across the desktop. The biggest new addition is the default Cosmic sound theme. This gives the desktop its own audio identity for notifications and system actions. The update also improves pointer accuracy near the edges of the screen when fractional scaling is enabled, which should make Cosmic feel more precise on high resolution displays. Network Manager support has been improved, and XDG- Desktop-Portal-Cosmic is now added as a system service. This should improve integration with features like file selection, screenshots, screen sharing, and desktop permissions. Cosmic Files also received some important fixes. It can now fall back to GIO if opening the destination fails during MTP file transfers, such as when copying files to an Android phone. Trash directory detection has also been improved for more reliable file deletion and recovery. Cosmic Monitor now includes a force quit option for frozen applications. Users can switch between different CPU and GPU graph types, and the app can now collect GPU frequency data. It also received several design improvements. Cosmic Panel fixes 2 crashes, including one that could happen while changing the display scale. Cosmic Launcher now resets the results list whenever the search query changes, preventing outdated results from staying on the screen. Cosmic Settings fixes a bug where changing the input source volume could accidentally affect the output volume. It also preserves content when rebuilding the appearance drawer and adds volume step configuration through the settings daemon. Some visual issues in Cosmic Workspaces have also been fixed. The Cosmic Compositor received several important fixes. Games should now enter full screen mode more reliably. Border widths should look more consistent with fractional scaling, and flickering while switching between menus has been reduced. The update also fixes frozen active window indicators, kiosk command issues, and problems related to login support. So, Cosmic 1.4 may not look as exciting as the Frosted Glass update, but it is an important release focused on polish and reliability. Better scaling, improved gaming support, stronger file management, and fewer crashes should make the desktop noticeably smoother. Cosmic is still young, but System 76 is releasing updates at an impressive pace. Keep checking your Linux distributions repositories for the Cosmic 1.4 update. What do you think about Cosmic 1.4? Are you already using it, or are you waiting for it to become more mature? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.